Yep.
All right, today we're doing the KPX250, and to actually get to the battery, you're gonna take off this bolt right here, which is a 5mm. There's gonna be a Phillips head screw right up underneath it. You're gonna take this screw out, and then there's one right up underneath the seat. You just pull the seat up, and it's right there. It's a Phillips head screw. So I'm gonna take all those out for you. Do not take these bolts out. This does not take the seat out on both sides. This only holds this on here. It holds the frame. So do not take those out. You're gonna take those, this is the Phillips head screw up there, which I'm gonna get to right now. And then you've got your bottom one right here. Now your cover is going to pop right out, and there's your battery case. Your battery's going to sit right in there. Here's your lines. Connect it and you're done. Have a nice day.